Some common abbreviations used in Indian Railways you must know. IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. IR, Indian Railways. RPF, Railway Protection Force. RDSO, Research Designs and Standards Organization. RLY, Railway. DRM, Divisional Railway Manager. DY, CE, DY. Chief Engineer. DY, CMA, DY. Chief Mechanical Engineer. DY, CPRO, DY. Chief Public Relations Officer. DY, CSC, DY. Chief Safety Commissioner. ECO, East Coast Railway. AR, Eastern Railway. NFR, Northeast Frontier Railway. NR, Northern Railway. SCR, South Central Railway. SR, Southern Railway. WCR, West Central Railway. WR, Western Railway. ZRUCC, Zonal Railway Users Consultative Committee.